Hello lovely viewers, welcome to your favorite cooking channel. As usual, I'm back and today you can see some pepper, can see some pepper sauce, can see some egg, and you are seeing my special cuttlefish, what we like to call in Ghana octopus, stir fry with vegetables and brown rice. This is a super healthy, whether I want to eat for breakfast or lunch or supper is up to you. So it's a quick fix I did, which was from basically carrots, which are diced, a bit of bell pepper, a bit of onion, which I had also shredded, and I had the fried cuttlefish or octopus, as we like to call it in Ghana. So I seasoned and I fried and I chopped it before it went in here. And this is all on my channel. You can check it up. And then I have some brown rice WAAKYE here as well. Yes, if you check my red beans WAAKYE on this channel, you see how I do my brown rice WAAKYE. I'm just going to add just a little bit of oil in there. I use some coconut oil, any oil of your preference, it's up to you. Then over low heat, I'm just going to stir it all up. So all I'm going to be doing is to stir it all up. And because the rice was in the freezer, there's going to be a bit of moisture. And what I always recommend is when you're cooking this local rice, especially brown rice, and you want to keep it in the freezer or do it bulk, you may have to make it a very, very soft when you're cooking it, because when it goes into the freezer and it comes out grainy, like chaffy one. So the best thing to do is to make it softer when you're cooking it. And when it goes in and comes out, it's still perfect and it's still tasty. So I just mixed this thing all up. And one thing you want to also do well to check is the sizes or the chunks of your veggies and of your octopus or cuttlefish or squid you are using. That makes it easy to eat. So once I just stir these up, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to work over the low heat. That's just to put the heat in there to good use and get the moisture in the water away, because this was thawed rice because it was a bit frozen from the freezer. So yes, this is one quick fix I love to do, especially on days when I don't have a lot of time on my side, and it always comes out very, very tasty and nice. So you can enjoy life easy peasy with less stress by keeping yourself very well prepared for days like this. Whenever you cook and they have excess rice, put it in your freezer. Always, whenever you cook your octopus, your seafoods, and you have extra, put them in the freezer and make great use out of them. So I serve this with some pear, some pepper sauce, and boiled eggs, protein, just to balance it all up, and see how beautiful the stir fry or fried rice recipe is looking over here. You just want to have a try. So if you've not yet supported the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing, you can do so right now. So we'll see you in the next food video. Do live life to the fullest. Be joyous, be merry. Let every food moment count. Mwah.